Hi, I'm Buzz the Bee, and today we're breaking down a popular buzzword, the Internet of Things, or IoT for short. The Internet of Things is a network of connected physical devices that gather and share data on how they are used. But IoT for business is more than establishing connections between devices and systems. The Internet of Things is creating opportunities for businesses to offer new services in preventative maintenance, product updates, and asset tracking. With connected devices, companies can collect more data, opening more business opportunities. For example, a company that used to manufacture a product can now offer additional services to monitor performance of that product. IoT also allows businesses to better understand customers and improve the overall experience. Capturing data from customer touchpoints allows companies to have a multi-dimensional view of their experience and satisfaction levels. For example, most impact-managed print devices include IoT sensors. These sensors alert Impact's technicians when the toner level reaches 20% or if something in the device needs to be replaced. Lastly, IoT expanding across an organization means greater digitization of processes. Once incoming data from an IoT sensor is analyzed, changes are deployed without human intervention, increasing productivity and efficiency. Businesses in every industry can benefit from strategically considering how the Internet of Things can improve the customer experience and expand lines of business. Check out impactmybiz.com/buzzwords for more from this series. And tune in next month when I'll break down another buzzword.